Macy's has made its way into the metaverse. Macy's has created a Horizon Worlds VR experience where users can take a hot air balloon, have a snowball fight, build toys in Santa's workshop, and uniquely experience Santaland. Let's check it out. Welcome everyone to Macy's Santaland. This is a really great experience. So you can actually explore all around Santaland, and what this immersive experience requires you to do is complete a variety of different tasks for Santa, and afterwards you can ride the hot air balloon. So I'm going to share with you a few things that you can do here for the video. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the main plaza, so you can go right, left, wherever you decide to go. You'll be able to interact with a bunch of different things. So we'll go ahead and start with these candy canes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Check out Macy's Santaland and Meta Horizon Worlds. See you in the Metaverse.